Seeds from plants like fruit are edible and have plenty of nutritional value. Seeds have the building blocks to create a plant, and when the seeds are planted in the soil, they cultivate the nutrients from the soil. And as the plant grows, it will cultivate and receive phytonutrients from the sun. And if the plant bears fruit, the seeds will have similar nutritional benefits as the fruit. For example, oranges. Orange seeds will have varying amounts of vitamin C and fiber. Some fruit seeds like peach seeds and plum seeds aren't as edible because they have a harder outer shell. Chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, papaya seeds, pumpkin seeds, and watermelon seeds, to name a few, are very edible and have many nutritional benefits like protein, vitamin E, lignins, and fiber. All these nutrients are essential for healthy cells. I was eating watermelon early this morning with the watermelon seeds in them, and it tasted amazing. Apple seeds will have trace amounts of a toxic substance called cyanide, but you have to eat hundreds of apples to get a small dose of it.